Welcome to Exam Heist. This video is the part 2 in our AI 900 exam series and contains some important topics and questions related to those topics. You can download the full PDF of this video and our other practice exam questions through the link down in the description. We at CertiIQ have 30 plus certifications and are here to help you achieve your certification goals. We will answer some of your important doubts regarding the AI 900 exam, such as the exam does not have any lab type questions, we don't have any case study type questions either. The exam duration is around 40 to 60 questions in 45 minutes. The minimum passing score is 700 out of 1000. There is no negative marking in this exam. This certification will be valid for 2 years and there is no need for a renewal. This video is a tutorial video and it contains questions that will help you prepare for the exam. We will be covering these topics in this video. However, these are not all the topics for the exam and we will be publishing more videos about more important topics in the future. So please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. To the first topic, Azure AI Vision. Before that, let's talk about computer vision. Now, what is computer vision? It is a field of AI that uses machine learning and neural networks to teach computers and systems to derive meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs, and to make recommendations or take actions when they see defects or issues. If AI enables computers to think like a brain, then computer vision enables them to see like an eye. Computer vision works much the same as human vision, except humans have a head start. Human sight has the advantage of lifetimes of context to train how to tell objects apart, how far away they are, whether they are moving or something is wrong with an image. Computer vision trains machines to perform these functions, but it must do it in much less time with cameras, data, and algorithms rather than retinas, optic nerves, and a visual cortex. About Azure AI Vision, it is a unified service that offers innovative computer vision capabilities. Give your apps the ability to analyze images, read text, and detect faces with pre-built image tagging, text extraction with optical character recognition, and responsible facial recognition. Incorporate vision features into your projects with no machine learning experience required. Azure AI Vision service gives you access to advanced algorithms that process images and return information based on the visual features you are interested in. The services offered in Azure Vision are OCR, image analysis, face, and video analysis. Talking about the services in detail, OCR. This service extracts text from images. You can use the new Read API to extract printed and handwritten text from photos and documents. It uses deep learning based models and works with text on various surfaces and backgrounds. These include business documents, invoices, recipients, posters, business cards, letters, and whiteboards. The OCR APIs support extracting printed text in several languages. Then we have image analysis. This service can extract a wide variety of visual features from your images. For example, it can determine whether an image contains adult content, find specific brands or objects, or find human faces. Then we have face. Azure AI Face Service provides AI algorithms that detect, recognize, and analyze human faces in images. Facial recognition software is important in many different scenarios, such as identification, touchless access control, and face blurring for privacy. Then we have video analysis. It includes video related features like spatial analysis and video retrieval. Spatial analysis analyzes the presence and movement of people on a video feed and produces events that other systems can respond to. Video retrieval lets you create an index of videos that you can search with natural language. To the questions related to the same topic, question 1. Your company wants to build a recycling machine for bottles. The recycling machine must automatically identify bottles of the correct shape and reject all the other items. Which type of AI workload should the company use? In this question, we have to identify bottles of the correct shape. From all the given options, the only appropriate option here is computer vision. Thus, the correct option is C. Azure's computer vision service gives you access to advanced algorithms that process images and return information based on the visual features you are interested in. For example, computer vision can determine whether an image contains adult content, find specific brands or objects, or find human faces. Question 2. You need to develop a mobile app for employees to scan and store their expenses while traveling. Which type of computer vision should you use? In this question, as we are trying to scan and store something, then we will use optical character recognition. Thus, the correct option is D. Azure's computer vision API includes OCR capabilities that extract printed or handwritten text from images. You can extract text from images such as photos of license plates or containers with serial numbers, as well as from documents, invoices, bills, financial reports, articles, and more. Question 3. You are processing photos of runners in a race. You need to read the numbers on the runners' shirts to identify the runners in the photos. Which type of computer vision should you use? As we are trying to read the numbers on the shirts of the runners, then from all of these vision services, we are using optical character recognition or OCR. Thus, the correct option is B. OCR allows you to extract printed or handwritten text from images and documents. Question 4. Hotspot. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. To the answer area, counting the number of animals in an area based on a video feed is an example of. As we're counting the numbers based on a video feed, then among all these options, the most appropriate is computer vision. Question 5. You use drones to identify where weeds grow between rows of crops to send an instruction for the removal of the weeds. This is an example of which type of computer vision. In this question, we are using the drone to identify the location of the weeds from the video feed it is capturing. This is an example of object detection. Thus, the correct option is C. Object detection is similar to tagging, but the API returns the bounding box coordinates for each tag applied. For example, if an image contains a dog, cat, and a person, the detect operation will list those objects together with their coordinates in the image. To the next topic, natural language processing. What is natural language processing or NLP? It is a subfield of computer science and artificial intelligence that uses machine learning to enable computers to understand and communicate with human beings. NLP enables computers and digital devices to recognize, understand, and generate text and speech by combining computational linguistics, the rule based modeling of human language, together with statistical modeling, machine learning, and deep learning. NLP research has enabled the era of generative AI, from the communication skills of a large language model to the ability of image generation models to understand requests. NLP is already a part of everyday life for many, powering search engines, prompting chatbots for customer service with spoken commands, voice operated GPS systems, and digital assistants on smartphones. To the questions related to the same topic, question 6. Your website has a chatbot to assist customers. You need to detect when a customer is upset based on what the customer types in the chatbot. Which type of AI workload should you use? Here, we are trying to understand the human emotion based on what he types in the chat box. The option that is suitable for this scenario is natural language processing. Thus, the correct option is D. NLP is used for tasks such as sentiment analysis, topic detection, language detection, key phrase extraction, and document categorization. Sentiment analysis is the process of determining whether a piece of writing is positive, negative, or neutral. Question 7. You have insurance claim reports that are stored as text. You need to extract key terms from the reports to generate summaries. Which type of AI workload should you use? Here, we are trying to generate a summary of a report by analyzing and extracting the key terms of the report. The most suitable option for this scenario is natural language processing. Thus, the correct option is A. NLP can extract key terms from the reports to generate summaries. Question 8. Which two scenarios are examples of a NLP workload? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. In this question, the most suitable options that work as an example of NLP are a smart device in the home that responds to questions such as what will the weather be like today, and a website that uses a knowledge base to interactively respond to the user's questions. Thus, the correct options are B and C. NLP is used for tasks such as sentiment analysis, topic detection, language detection, key phrase extraction, and document categorization. To the next topic, Azure AI Translator. Now, what is Azure AI Translator? It is a cloud based machine translation service you can use to translate text and documents with a simple REST API call. The service uses modern neural machine translation technology. The custom translator interface allows you to use your translation memory to create customized neural translation systems. The customized translation system can be used to translate text and documents with the translator service. It is part of the Azure AI Services family and can be used with any operating system. Translator powers many Microsoft products and services used by thousands of businesses worldwide for language translation and other language related operations. To the questions related to the same topic, question 9. You need to make the written press releases of your company available in a range of languages. Which service should you use? Here, we want the written press releases to be available in multiple languages. As such, we will use translator. Thus, the correct option is A. Translator is a cloud-based machine translation service you can use to translate text in near real time through a simple REST API call. The service uses modern neural machine translation technology and offers statistical machine translation technology. Custom Translator is an extension of Translator which allows you to build neural translation systems. Question 10. You have a website that includes customer reviews. You need to store the reviews in English and present the reviews to users in their respective language by recognizing each user's geographical location. Which type of NLP workload should you use? Here, we are trying to convert the reviews from English to whatever their local language is based on the geographical location. We will use translation. Thus, the correct option is D. This should be translation. For this specific use case, the best option would be the Azure Translator Text API. The Translator Text API is a cloud-based machine translation service that can translate text between multiple languages in real time. It supports a wide range of languages and provides language detection capabilities that can automatically identify the language of the input text. It can also detect the user's location based on their IP address or browser settings and automatically translate the reviews to the user's preferred language. These were all the topics and questions for this video. You can find the complete PDF of this video and our practice questions through the link down in the description. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned for the next parts of the series. Thank you for watching